Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ZTC Zero Touch Cyber. In today's video we are diving into the cybersecurity in telecommunications. Cybersecurity in telecommunications is crucial due to the increasing reliance on digital communication networks and the potential risks associated with unauthorized access, data breaches, and other cyber threats. Telecommunications infrastructure plays a vital role in facilitating voice and data communication, making it an attractive target for malicious actors seeking to exploit vulnerabilities. Let us discuss what telecommunication is. Telecommunications is the transmission of information over a distance. It encompasses a vast array of technologies and systems designed to facilitate the exchange of data, voice, and multimedia between individuals, devices, or organizations. Cybersecurity in telecommunications is a critical aspect of protecting the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information exchanged over these networks. As we will delve into the specific cybersecurity challenges faced by telecommunications, explore common threats and vulnerabilities, and the measures in place to safeguard the integrity and security of our interconnected communication systems. So, join us on this exploration of telecommunications in the world of cybersecurity, where every call, message, and data transfer is part of a complex dance between technology and security. Importance of cybersecurity in telecommunications. Telecommunications, the backbone of our modern communication infrastructure, facilitates the exchange of voice, data, and multimedia on a global scale. From phone calls and text messages to internet browsing and video conferencing, our daily interactions heavily rely on the seamless operation of telecommunication networks. The importance of cybersecurity in telecommunications cannot be overstated. These networks store and transmit massive amounts of sensitive information, ranging from personal conversations to confidential business data. The interconnected nature of telecommunications systems makes them attractive targets for malicious actors seeking unauthorized access, data breaches, and disruption. The rapid evolution of the telecom industry opens doors for businesses, but also results in security challenges. These include cloud migration. The switch to cloud services provides agility but increases security risks. Telecoms must implement strong security protocols, encryption, and advanced authentication to ensure safety. 5G network security. The advent of 5G connects more devices, increasing exposure to attacks. Telecoms need to invest in security systems that can handle this. BYOD trend. With growing use of personal devices for work, telecoms must ensure secure connections and protect confidentiality. Data protection regulations. Telecoms must comply with data protection laws and safeguard their data, necessitating investment in encryption and data masking technologies. The telecom industry is facing a range of security challenges due to the increasing complexity of its networks and the growing number of connected devices. These challenges include unsecured connections. Devices that are not securely connected to a network could provide a malicious attacker with an entry point to gain access to the system. Infrastructure vulnerabilities. The sheer number of connected devices and infrastructure components within a telecom company's network makes it increasingly vulnerable to attack. Software-based threats. The increasing complexity of telecom networks also makes them vulnerable to software-based attacks. Cybercriminals can exploit these networks to access customer data, launch distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks, and install ransomware. The telecom industry is susceptible to cyber attacks that include the following: insider attacks. Unaware employees, especially those working remotely, often indirectly cause security threats. IoT. Rapid IoT implementation creates numerous, often insecure, entry points to systems, thus increasing vulnerability. Examples include security cameras and network-attached storage devices. DDoS. These financially damaging attacks are frequently carried out using standard network protocols, compromised IoT devices, and mobile devices. Third parties. The numerous entities involved in the telecom industry can make it easy for malevolent agents to infiltrate infrastructure. Terrorism. Attackers can remotely infiltrate and manipulate systems. Benefits of cybersecurity in telecommunication. Improved network security. Cybersecurity in telecom helps protect networks from malicious attacks, such as data breaches, denial of service attacks, and other malicious activities. By implementing strong cybersecurity measures, telecom companies can protect their networks from these threats and ensure they remain secure and reliable. Reduced risk of data loss. Cybersecurity in telecom helps protect data from being stolen or compromised. By implementing strong cybersecurity measures, telecom companies can reduce the risk of data loss due to malicious attacks. Improved customer satisfaction. Cybersecurity in telecom helps ensure that customers' data is kept safe and secure. By implementing strong cybersecurity measures, telecom companies can provide customers with a secure and reliable experience. Increased efficiency. Cybersecurity in telecom helps telecom networks run more efficiently. By implementing strong cybersecurity measures, telecom companies can reduce downtime and improve network performance. This can lead to increased efficiency and productivity. In addition to these, telecom operators should be aware of potential vulnerabilities like long-lasting espionage campaigns, service misconfigurations, and compromises on subscriber credentials via techniques like social engineering, malware, or phishing. Attacks can come from unsophisticated criminals with no specific agendas or from sophisticated organizations, often going undetected. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to hit bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Follow our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos for cybersecurity in various sectors.